Oh, Genji. Behind me.
Point.
Guys, we're just gonna cap.
Alright,
He
I'll
gave it to us
distract.
anyway.
C to the 9.
I'm gonna probably get
I got
get
shit
staggered
spawned.
here. I'm dead. Okay.
We got spawn advantage.
I'm gonna have bomb again.
My ultimate is charging.
Get back in.
How are you fucking?
Alright, regroup.
Turret snap.
Watch your flag.
Let's throw a bomb here.
You're covered.
Alright.
My ultimate's ready.
Sorry.
Traded.
Please.
Fucking horse by yourself.
Beat the ults. Break this shield. Orisa. Orisa's
Orisa
one.
half. She's still discorded.
Go behind.
Fuck, she gripped me off. She's one as fuck too. Someone needs to kill her. She's super fucking one. Alright, never mind. We got wiped. Regroup.
في الامتحان يكرم المرء أو يهان.
Nice. I think I'll ship for that.
No one can hide from my sight.
You're going to live.
Look at the Torb on the right.
To the
He's
right.
all by
Yep.
himself. Everyone fucking go on him right now. He's discorded. He
Got
dead.
him.
What?
What?
Alright, everyone back out. We got one more.
Back out. Guys, don't get staggered. Come back.
إقراري على
We have Nano and... Yeah.
You're going to be okay.
Reporting for duty.
You made
We need to keep the
30
pace.
seconds.
Alright.
remaining.
We'll wait for
One
ball
soldier.
to initiate.
All initiate.
I have trans.
Push.
Go ahead and push. I have
Then
trans.
can you tap me out?
Trans, I'm trans.
Behind you.
Aim and push.
They don't have a shield.
There we go.
Torb's behind us. He's gonna ult.
Yo, Nana boost somebody already, man.
Well, I
Nano boosted human diva.
Held on too long, man.
Yeah.
Good.
Nano baby diva was a bad look.
well, maybe we all shouldn't
We'll
have
get it
died.
next round.
في الامتحان
Alright.
Sure, that was it.
Yeah, we're alright.
I've got you in my
Score 2-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Alright, we can get this. What comp do we want to run?
But, what does Squid want to play? Squid said he didn't want to. He's not good with tanks.
I could wrecking ball if you want.
Go for it, dude.
Yeah, go wrecking ball, dude. And then I'll go Orisa.
Okay. Alright.
Attackers
Yeah, get that Doomy McFisterson up.
Make sure we use the shield.
Yep. Mark, where do you want to set up? You want to set up left or
Where
right?
do you want to set up?
Right
Probably
side.
like
My suggestion would be like
Right,
here,
right.
Over
or
here.
top left,
I say
I
right
would say
side.
here.
right?
the right
Okay.
This room.
there.
For your safety,
This.
fall behind the barrier.
I'll try to hit like the tank into you guys.
4,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
That was bad.
I'll be
You
watching
can hold
you
up
back,
here.
but be
Yeah, well,
careful.
I'm about to bring it back a little.
You have a Zen and a Shimada, brother.
They have a Reaper too. He just tells.
Safety going right side, right side.
There you go. Play slow if you need. Can we chase? Can we chase?
Are they shifting? No? Okay.
They're coming.
Ended up.
Diva can't.
Nice.
Heal up.
There you go.
Watching your back.
Diva. Alright, Genji.
Genji one. I mean half. Sorry.
Got
Nice.
it.
All right.
Alright, I just set up again.
Reset.
Set up.
My ultimate is charging.
For your safety, please move behind the barrier.
They're coming now.
Shield's going low. Shield's about to go down. Shield's down. 3, 2, 1.
Reaper's left.
Watch for their push.
Left, reset. Shift left. Shift left.
Use other side.
Reloading.
Watch Reaper, Discord.
Reaper's one.
Reaper dead, Reaper dead.
Laura's behind point.
Need
Then
help
walk
with
back,
this
then walk
fucking
back, then walk
stupid
back.
diva? Fuck.
Healy down, be careful.
That's fine. Just give it up.
I'm on fire.
Nice, happy.
Nice. Boy, I held the. I'm so fucking glad I held the assault. I was about to do it too.
Coming up on trans. Pynx is gonna definitely get another nano within the next fight too.
Looks like they're coming main again.
Please move behind the barrier.
Jim, I can't heal you up there.
I'm gonna.
Pushing up right
nice
side.
heal. No, they just. Alright, good. Now I'm gonna
Nice.
counter.
Reloading.
Nice.
You'll be fine.
Nice ball.
Oh, this is shifting left.
Zen's been at
Shield's
statue.
shifting left as well.
Wrist is on right.
Watch Reaper right.
I can get them a
Heal
creep.
McCree.
Healing you.
Thanks.
Come back.
Soldier's coming behind point.
Thanks, man.
Reaper's
Just
behind.
got from behind.
right side.
They
Reaper's
logged
right
their
side,
left.
Discord. Zen's right side by the Mega. Reaper's behind
Reaper's
point.
going all the way the fuck
Reaper's
around.
asleep.
Watch out,
He's
Ana.
asleep.
Watch out,
He's
Ana.
asleep. He's asleep.
Yep, soldier's left
You're down
side. soldier's left.
TDPS.
There might be a loss on this one.
Shot us low.
Yep.
Alright, they're gonna get it, guys.
One. Are they?
You're not getting rid
Okay, we can get test. We're back.
I'm down.
Never mind.
Not.
30 seconds remaining. Objective lost.
Hold it back.
Now I'm gonna switch to Diva.
Payload.
Triple back. They're alone up there.
Watching your back.
Reaper right somewhere.
Dead eyes.
Take a step back then. Forward. Big one.
You're going to be okay.
Shit. This fucking soldier.
I should be here.
We gotta take out soldier.
Reaper coming
yeah.
upstairs.
We gotta group up. We
Okay.
still have
Yeah,
an
We
all
have
tip
to, yeah, exactly. We have to group
Good
up.
save him.
circle. Soldier's behind us.
Behind soldier. He's Discord. Soldier Discord, nice.
I got him. I'm gonna pull the heals and I'll take care of that.
Get in there.
No dart.
Nerf this.
Behind us.
Fuck.
Only Zen heals. Careful. We're up though. Try and get their Mora first.
Diva's hack.
Get out of the open.
Back. Don't let Diva out. Good shit.
Just a scratch.
Nice.
You'll be fine.
Even then, if you take a step back, I can heal
Soldier
you.
1.
Yeah, you're in sight now.
Reaper's
Get-
above.
Okay.
He dropped. He's going in the circle. He's in the circle.
He's in the circle. I'm back in back.
First, to just put a
Can
shield
we go
in.
around? Can we go around?
Sure. Purple. Purple.
Huge purple, huge purple, huge purple. You guys gotta kill, you guys gotta kill.
Reloading. Doom's on some shit, but nice. That's nice.
We got a bastion now, guys. Swap to me.
Soldiers 1.
Come on, Moira, leave me alone.
Keep me posted on the bastion.
Moore's on cart
Oh,
with
don't see him.
Orisa.
Don't let him get set up on cart.
30 seconds.
I'm knocked out.
They're running like 4 tanks. Moore's 1.
You're powered up. Get in there.
I'm coming
Bastion
back
down.
with the Diva Bomb if you can try.
Ryan's down.
to hold.
Moore's low behind cart.
Make sure you're staying on.
Oh,
I'm
that
gonna
freeze
come
is
back
gonna be
with the
sick.
Diva Bomb. Oh, fuck yeah,
Discord.
yeah.
This is
Soldiers there. Soldiers there.
I've come back from work.
Lucio, Diva, and Ryan are still alive.
Heal up.
Yeah, boys. Good
Heal,
game, guys.
yeah,
Fucking good
order.
game. Seriously, good game. Good game.
Shot.
lol.
Oh,
Yo, that's Doom.
thank you for going, Doom. Thank you for
That's
going,
Doom.
Doom.
He
Doom
was
was
the
fucking
Doom.
lit.
Dude was getting kicked
Honor,
left
good
and
job on
right.
the heels on that second round, man. I know it
Yeah.
kind of got on you, but you fucking great job, dude. Seriously.
Yeah.
Good luck in the rest of your games, guys. That was fun.
Good luck.
Good luck, boys.
Nice. How I feel too. I'll be right back.